Hello everyone. This tutorial will demonstrate features within Microsoft Word that allow Word documents to become tagged PDFs. An important and critical aspect of a tagged PDF is the correct hierarchy of content within the document. Now when I say hierarchy, I am referring to how a document is broken down using titles, headings, and body text. Microsoft Word gives us the features to create this hierarchy properly. Let's look at this blank document and talk about some of those features. The first element we want to think about when composing a document is structure. Let's say we want to create a document about the birds of Maine. Within the Home tab of Microsoft Word, there is a section called Styles, which is right here, Styles. Styles allow us to create a section of text either as a title, heading, or normal body text. Now these are all important for the hierarchy of the document, and we will explain further as we move along in this video. Let's type Birds of Maine with the title style selected. Now under our title, we want to create a subheading. Let's type Blue Heron with heading 1 selected. So now we have our main overall title, which is Birds of Maine, and one subheading, which is the Blue Heron. Finally, we want to start adding our body text under our newly created subheading. I'm going to select the normal text for this, and we can start typing content. So we have our content there. And once we're finished with adding our content, let's add another bird. So let's add bald eagle using heading 2, because we still want it to fall under our main overall title of Birds of Maine. We have heading 2. We can now start adding our content using our normal text. Okay, so we have our text there falling under our subheading. Our document now has our overall title, 2 headings, and 2 sections of normal body text. And we can see how the document has started to create a nice structure. And this is very important for the accessibility of any learners using screen readers. Now, what if we want to include an image? So graphics reinforce written content, but if a student has a visual impairment, the image could hinder their learning unless alternative text or alt text is used. Alt text provides a written description of an image for learners that are unable to view them. Say we want to include an image of a blue heron. Let's use the built-in Bing feature for adding images within Word. So we'll go to Insert, Online Pictures, Bing Image Search, type blue heron. It's showing us Creative Commons licenses. So we'll select one. Going to want to resize this. There we go. So now we have our image. So we have our image. Now we want to add alt text to this image. So to do that, we're going to right click on the image, scroll all the way down to Format Picture. It's at the bottom. We want to go to the third option under Format Picture, which is Layout and Properties. And we have our alt text. So you're going to type in the title of the image and a description. Looks like it's standing in water, so we'll put that. And then you can exit out. And now we've inserted alt text for this image. With our document complete, we're now down to the final steps in creating an accessible tagged PDF. So Microsoft has a built-in accessibility checker that should be used every time you want to use content for a course. To access this feature in Microsoft Word, click File, Inspect Document, which is the second option under Info. You're going to click Check for Issues and check Accessibility. The accessibility checker will return the results of the scan for you to see. And you can see here we have no accessibility issues found. So we're now ready to create our PDF. To do that, you're going to click File, click Save As. You're going to choose your save location. Choose desktop for this example. And under Save As Type, you want to choose PDF. Another option to consider here, and it's something you should check, is to click Options and make sure this box is checked. Document Structure Tags for Accessibility. Make sure that box is checked. It's checked by default, but you just want to make sure it's checked. So make sure that's checked, hit OK. And then you can hit Save. And this document has opened up for us within Adobe Acrobat. We can do a quick check. Go to File, Properties, Tag PDF, Yes, right at the bottom. So we've now created an accessible tagged PDF from a Word document. It is now ready to be used in your course. Thank you.